Lake Placid, Florida at S&N Auto Locators. Here we have a container carrier. This is a F450 Super Duty. This truck only has 45,000 original miles. It was only used in an 8-mile radius. It is a 460 fuel injected engine, automatic transmission, AM FM stereo, cold AC. I'll start this truck up, I'll run this container lift, show you how it works. Over here inside the truck there's a little switch. When the switch is on, you'll see the light come on. That tells you that the PTO is engaging. I'll start the truck up and we'll go to the rear of the truck and I'll demonstrate how it works. Back here also controls how to operate the truck, right in the rear here. You swing around, when the light is on, switch, beacon light, I'll open the hood, show you the engine. As I stated, this truck only has 45,000 miles. This is how you shut the amber light off. That's a really nice, smooth running 460 fuel injected engine. This is a really, really nice truck. Very, very low mileage. The tires on the truck, as I stated, are practically new. Just take one good look at this truck. It is a mint truck for its age. So it's 1997. It's practically new. So thank you for looking.